The second setup I would like to share with you guys is GBP and ZD. So on the weekly time frame, we actually formed this bearish candlestick, rejecting off of our strong level of resistance over here. So it does seem we will hold this level of resistance. Therefore, I will be looking for potential short opportunities. And for that to occur, we just have to wait for certain things to line up. One of them is we have to wait for the daily closure, just because how you guys can see how we formed this big rejection. Price started to push down, but it started to lose momentum here as it formed a first doji and then a second doji. We did form a shooting star, but it failed to break below this level right here. Let me just show you guys this level right here, which was the previous doji low. So we failed to break below here, and then price formed a bullish engulfing the previous two dojis and the shooting star. So we could see price potentially push towards the upside, but it all depends on if we are able to have a closure below or above this level of resistance. So if price happens to come up and have a closure above, then I will not be interested in looking for a trade opportunity on this. However, if price happens to come up and have a rejection, say we're to come up and have a rejection once again, I will be looking for a short opportunity, aiming for 1.99 as our overall target. Now, if price happens to continue to push to the downside, we would then have to wait for this level to be taken out before looking for a retest and then a continuation back down to 1.99. Obviously, we would prefer to have the first scenario take place because we would be able to make more pips. However, this level right here, we would still be able to manage to make around 100 to 95 to 100 pips, which is still a good amount to look for a trade opportunity for. All right, so GBP NZD, pretty simple, straightforward, nothing too complicated. We just had this level of resistance that price failed to break above. We had a rejection, as you guys can see, with this bearish candlestick. We had a follow through. Now we're waiting to see if price can maybe come up for that retest, and then to confirm that this resistance is going to hold, to look for a short opportunity. Or if price does not happen as the first scenario, we would then wait for price to come down and break this level of support before looking to short back down to 1.99.